guys, Bridget Jones is back. Renée Zellweger is back.
Hi.
Very exciting to see you back on the big screen. Did your hiatus and sort of time away from this crazy machine help you when it came back to slipping back into Bridget?
I'm sure in some ways. I mean, you have to have life experiences to draw from when you are a storyteller. And if you only repeat yourself all the time by going from set to set to set and living in these really insular worlds, then, I guess you become a bit boring and redundant. And so sure. Time away never hurts anybody in that respect, I'm sure.
Absolutely. And we see now Bridget as not only a widow, but as a mom of these two fabulous children. How did you enjoy playing that facet of Bridget that we haven't really seen before?
Well, Catherine and Mila made it absolutely joyful every day. How cute are those kids?
Yeah.
They're wonderful and so talented. It's so professional for being 4'1".
Your sweet spot, as you say in the movie. I have to say, I think any mother will applaud when we see that scene where you lock yourself in the bathroom just to get a minute's peace and then turn up at the school with something for the school fair, having just half-eaten rice cakes and hummus. Honestly, kudos. That was so well played. Leo, let's get to you.
Hello.
The internet only says wonderful things about Renée Zellweger. They're literally, she's the only person on the internet, there's not one bad word about you. Is Renée's warmth, is that key when it comes into joining the Bridget Jones family, when you're kind of the newbie, I guess?
Oh, it's essential. And it was the potentially one and only reason why it was the easiest working experience for me. It could be a lot of pressure, I'm a young actor in this big movie and, one of the most decorated actors of all time, and it's pressure. But she's just the warmest, kindest, most generous person. And it's also just such a laugh. She's a real goof.
You don't like hearing nice things said about you. Are you okay with that?
So, it made things very easy and pleasant.
And Chiwetel, what is a typical day like on a Bridget Jones movie?
Well, there are no typical days. That's what's so great about it. But yeah, Renée is like, she really sort of leads from the front, I think, and so she just sets the tone for everybody on the set. And this character that she's created and has worked on for a quarter of a century or something is so beloved. Is so beloved, and that feeds its way into absolutely everybody on set. And so I suppose a typical day is lots of smiles, lots of laughter, and and hard work as well, and in a really great way. So it was a lot of fun. I had a blast.
Yeah, that comes across on screen. We see, obviously, Bridget join dating apps, the world of dating apps, in this movie. So in that vein, may I ask you whether, with your help, please, Jones, would you swipe right or left? We're going to start with an easy one, okay? Swipe right or left. Can you see this far away?
Go.
Right? Swipe right? Yeah.
Right is good, left is
Right.
bad.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I had to ask our research team as well. So right? Let's go right. Okay, brilliant.
What happens if you swipe right?
Oh, right.
He's so nice.
Yeah.
You said
Swipe right.
swipe right is the good thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's so lovely.
Okay,
He's
okay.
a lovely person.
Right for Colin Farrell. Okay, now this guy, a legend in Ireland. Do we know who this guy is?
I'm not immediately familiar.
Okay, this guy is a massive Irish country singer called Daniel O'Donnell.
Okay.
Iconic.
It sounds very interesting.
Yeah, he absolutely is.
So
Now,
a first date, just to
sure.
find out what's
just a
going on.
coffee, don't even commit to a meal.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
We're just talking about Better
Oh, you
Man.
were? Well, then you have to swipe right.
Love the film Better Man.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, great.
So yeah. I mean, sorry, I'm doing this for you.
Thank you.
Because every girl needs feedback.
Robbie,
It's better that way.
you can come along if you want.
And lastly, that's it. A right. That's definitely a swapper. Guys, the movie is a joy. We're so glad to see Bridget back. And I know viewers are just going to adore it as much as I did. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. You got a lot of dates lined up now as well.